everyone. So today we're going to be making a dish called black pepper chicken. And you don't often see black pepper used in Chinese cooking. Usually you're using white pepper, but this dish actually highlights the flavor of black pepper. We're going to be stir frying some chicken breast. You could also use boneless thighs with a marinade that actually has black pepper in it. And then we're going to stir fry it with a few vegetables. And it's a really tasty kind of saucy dish that you serve over rice. So let's get to it. I'm using onion, celery, and bell peppers today. I've ordered it from takeout places where they'll do like almost like a chicken with broccoli that has black pepper. I like the sort of oniony, like mostly onions and then kind of like just crunchy vegetables. I know there's like a Panda Express version that's like only celery and onion, but that's a little much on the celery for me. So I added peppers and I'm only doing 1 stalk of celery, and we have 12 ounces of chicken, so I don't have a ton of vegetable here, but I think it's like the perfect kind of amount to balance out the chicken. The black pepper, I have it right here. It's going to season the vegetables, and then I also marinated the chicken itself with black pepper, so when that chicken sears, it's gonna have sort of a nice toasty peppery flavor. We're gonna sear the chicken first, as per usual. It's our usual sequence. If you've made stir fries with us before, you know this pattern well. And the main reason for that is you wanna cook the chicken, sear it off first, and that ensures that it's basically, and then you add it back to the dish later, and that ensures that the dish, or that the chicken stays really nice and juicy and is perfectly cooked by the end. That's it. It's super simple. It just takes a little bit of prep, and actually you can do a lot of the prep the night before, marinating the chicken, making the sauce, and cutting the vegetables, and then you just come home and you just saw it took like 5 minutes to make, and dinner's ready.
Oh?
It's really good. The black pepper is like, once again, it's like you don't really normally get a lot of black pepper in Chinese food, but it's kind of a surprising little, I mean, this is like a Chinese American dish, but it's a surprising combination when you combine these like traditionally like Chinese stir fry oyster sauce, soy sauce flavors with black pepper, and it's really tasty.